Let's just straight on move into the next session, which is session 6. This session is going to be chaired by Mr. Alex Olengo from the Molecular Group. Mr. Alex Olengo is the CEO of the Molecular Group, and you'll get to hear more about him. He's going to come and moderate this session. However, I will first introduce one of the reasons why we are here, Inqaba Biotec. Inqaba Biotec is a biotech company dealing in molecular products, and I'll invite Mr. Godfrey Biso, a graduate of biotechnology from Makerere University with experience in molecular biology research, especially in the field of agriculture. He now works as a sales assistant with Inqaba to supply molecular labs across Uganda with the products and services they need for their research. So please, let's give the warmest welcome to Inqaba Biotec, Godfrey Biso.
Thank you, and I appreciate this opportunity. As introduced, my name is Godfrey Biso, and I'm working as a sales assistant in Inqaba Biotec, Uganda. Without further ado, I want to take you right through the presentation and the things we are in position to offer, especially to the research community that's in Africa. So, as stated, Inqaba Biotec is a genomics company, so that means whatever we deal with is in line with molecular and microbiology work. So, I'll take you through. Yeah, so Inqaba Biotec, what is it? So, I want to just give you a recap about the company. The company was established in 2002. That's in Pretoria, South Africa. And by then, they only started with laboratories. They were doing synthesis of primers and probes. They were offering things to do with Sanger DNA sequencing, SNP genotyping, bioinformatics solutions, qPCR, as we shall see them. So that's the company basically. And we want to be the leading company. That's our vision. We want to maintain the position of being the leading genomics company that's in Africa, but we still have a mission, which is the long-term goal, and that is catalyzing Africa's prosperity through genomics, because we came to realize that researchers in Africa were faced with a number of problems, as I'm going to take you through. And we are rooted within the sub-Saharan region of Africa, with our headquarters in South Africa. We have an office in Ghana, an office in Nigeria, an office in Kenya, which actually currently as Uganda, we are still under, because we are still operating as Inqaba Biotec, East African Company Limited. So it takes the whole region. We have an office in Senegal, so if you are from Senegal, if you need any research materials, you need primers, you need instrumentations or anything, don't look any further than Inqaba. We'll be there to provide. And of recent, that's in 2019, we were in position to establish an office in Tanzania, and it still carries on with the work that we do as Inqaba Biotec. So we realized the following challenges by researchers in Africa. We realized that when it comes to sourcing research materials like reagents and consumables, they were facing a problem. So these are the gaps we came in to fix. They had another problem when it comes to the technical know-how. Someone will know the idea, someone will know that this is what I need to do to reach here, but the technical know-how, maybe he doesn't know how to handle a machine that is supposed to use in order to reach his goal. So these are the things we came in to fix. We want to see that research progresses in a way that is meant to be for the better of Africa. Yes, so we still offer after-sales support, because that was also a challenge. People used to just order for, let's assume, laminar flows from US, maybe from any country abroad, not even here in Africa. So someone would just order for something, and then it comes, he doesn't have this support after they've given him this machine. No one is going to come in to help him or to teach them how they are going to handle this, so that they make it successful, or they can obtain more from it over time. So these are the gaps we've come to fix. And finally, the high cost, we realized that the researchers in Africa, anytime they needed something, as I've indicated above, maybe it's a reagent or a consumable, a machine, they were charged high because these things had to be shipped in from abroad into the countries where they are, and they really face the cost that's in shipping, and the cost maybe in converting into the money from outside countries. So when you're dealing with them as Africans, you know what they need and how you can go about it. So those are the gaps we came in to bridge, and these are the services we offer currently, as I took you through. I told you Inqaba started as a service generating company because we came in basically to solve things in the field of research, and that's it. So we have our labs in Pretoria, as I already took you through, and this is what we offer in our labs. DNA synthesis, that's prime and probe synthesis. So if you have that and you need any help in that field, we are there for you. I'm glad that I've come after molecular researchers have spoken. That's the man from POSTI, that's a Pan-African University, and his colleagues. So it's really great. So we offer all these services. That's in our labs in Pretoria, and products. We've gone ahead to partner with other international bodies which can provide the products. That's the consumables. That's the equipment, to see that the researchers in Africa real progress at the speed we want them to, because this is the only way we shall be in position to catch up. Otherwise, we are lagging behind. So those are our core services, and our products. The products we are in position to offer are also quite many. We offer products in molecular biology. So if you are dealing with DNA, if you're dealing with RNA, if you're dealing with bacteriophages, we are here for you. If you need instrumentations, maybe you need to do, even if you need to do the sequencing itself, we have big pack biosystems that we use when it comes to sequencing. Maybe you want to quantify your DNA, RNA, as I told you, in that line of molecular work, covering. We've been talking about synthetic biology. Synthetic biology is something great. It's something big. It covers a number of of disciplines. That includes biochemistry and chemistry. That includes molecular biology, microbiology. It's really quite a number. But we've narrowed down to this area of molecular, microbiology, and biochemistry, maybe, to see that we do progress here in Africa. So we can offer all these. Maybe you are doing your work in molecular biology. You're doing your work in instruments. You need instruments, biochemicals, cell biology. So we can offer you with all that. And these are still products. Molecular diagnostics. If you are doing diagnostics work, we are there for you. Food testing, proteomics. I heard someone talking about proteomics. So please, if you need anything in these fields, we are there for you. And the people we partner with, I told you we have a number of people we partner with. So when it comes to life science consumables, those are some of the people we partner with. Of course, consumables including reagents, chemicals, and other things to be used. When it comes to instruments and software, those are the people we deal with. And molecular diagnostic solutions, those are the people we deal with. I'm told my time is up, so I'm trying to finalize. So I would like to thank you very much for everything. Thank you.